Now, Puntland, a semi-autonomous region in northeastern Somalia, has begun the trial of more than 100 Al-Shabaab militants. 3 months ago, the region foiled the militant group's plan to form a local base. 43 have already been sentenced to death after admitting to being members. The CCTV's Abdulaziz Bilo reports from Somalia's capital, Mogadishu.
This was the scene in March, as Puntland forces battled hundreds of militants in a week-long offensive. 173 militants were killed, almost 100 others captured. The prisoners were mostly young children, inexperienced, and from the interviews, some say they were kidnapped by Al-Shabaab and forced to join the militant group. But a military court in Puntland region has sentenced 43 militants to death. The regional administration also said that 54 others were minor boys. The trial took place in Garowe, the administrative capital of the Puntland state. Experts warn that the absence of the media in the trial will raise serious questions.
A lot of questions will be raised by the international human rights organizations. Various rights groups will condemn this trial and execution, considering the fact that most of those arrested were young, inexperienced fighters. The due process of the law has to be followed, and the media has to present for fairness and equality.
Al-Shabaab has in the past years waged a campaign against Puntland. Its fighters remained holed up in the Galgala mountains. It's now pledged allegiance to ISIL. According to Puntland authorities, the convicted militants can appeal against the verdicts. But in 2013, Puntland executed 13 Al-Shabaab militants, the single largest execution ever to take place in Puntland. But Puntland's president Abdiweli Mohammed Ali has a message for the militants, whom he accused of recent killings and creating insecurity in that region.
I want to tell the Al-Shabaab this. Our prisons are awash with militants whom we can execute whenever you spill a drop of our people's blood. That's the message to the militants. If you kill 5 of us, we will kill 20 of you. We are serious on that note.
Somali and African Union forces have for years battled the militants in south-central Somalia. American drones too have proved effective in this case, neutralizing key Al-Shabaab targets, including the former Al-Shabaab leader Ahmed Abdi Godane, who was killed in September 2014. Abdulaziz Bilo, CCTV, Mogadishu, Somalia.